3, 2, 1.
What wears a hat but doesn't wear it on its head? The answer is C, mannequin. Whether fortunately or unfortunately, strikes and work stoppages are a fact of life in professional sports. When was the first NHL player strike? The answer is D, 1925. A bicycle is traveling at 3 meters per second m/s. The rider applies the brakes and stops the bicycle in 3 seconds. What is the average rate of acceleration of the bicycle during this time? The answer is A, -1 m/s2. Which sport uses a croquet mallet? The answer is C, golf. Evidence for the presence of what on Mars makes scientists think that life might have existed there in the past. The answer is D, water. What has 4 legs but can't walk? The answer is A, table. What is a pencil sharpener used for? The answer is A, sharpening pencils. A student found a worm under some leaves and wrote observations about the worm in a notebook, which is a fact that could be found in the student's notebook. The answer is C, the worm has 33 segments. What is the world's tallest waterfall by height? The answer is A, Angel Falls. What is the main focus of behaviorism? The answer is B, classical conditioning. What is the plural of the word genus, coined by Carl Linnaeus? The answer is B, genera. Who sang on the Love, American Style EP? The answer is C, the Beastie Boys. Which is not a common internet extension? The answer is D, .btmp. Which animal has a blue tongue? The answer is A, chameleon. What speaks without making a sound? The answer is C, fan. Which fruit is known as the apple of Sodom because it doesn't ripen further after being picked? The answer is C, fig. What is the currency of ancient Rome? The answer is B, aureus. What year defines the breakthrough in offshore drilling out of sight of land? The answer is D, 1947. What is the main weapon in Portal? The answer is B, sword. What is the setting of the Scarlet Letter? The answer is C. Puritan Salem. Who is known for the two-factor theory of job satisfaction? The answer is D. Herzberg. This person was a great basketball player, a poor outfielder, and a minority stockholder in the Charlotte Bobcats of the NBA. Who is he? The answer is D. Michael Jordan. Which of these were formed by glaciers that flowed through the Ruby Mountain region in northeastern Nevada? The answer is A. Lakes. What is zoopathology the study of? The answer is D. Animal diseases. What is the official language of Germany? The answer is D. Italian. At the Dundies in Season 2 of The Office, what award does Pam get? The answer is B. Widest sneakers. What runs through the penis and opens to the outside at the tip of the penis? The answer is D. The urethra. What are the names of the two people who practice shooting in a scene of the film Babel? The answer is B. Yusef and Mohammed. Street maps are examples of two-dimensional models. Which information cannot be determined using a basic map? The answer is D. Elevations such as distance above sea level. What job did Barack Obama start after finishing his education? The answer is A. Civil rights lawyer in Chicago. What period marked the popularity of the cloche hat? The answer is D. 1920s. Which city is the most populated in South Africa? The answer is B. Johannesburg. Liquid HCl can be used to do what to the pH of a swimming pool? The answer is C. Lower it. Which style of architecture is characterized by open floor plans and large windows? The answer is D. Modernism. Who directed the blockbuster movie Forrest Gump? The answer is C. Robert Zemeckis. What kind of images of calligraphy will be appropriate as a decoration for a Japanese tea ceremony that is held at night? The answer is D. Rabbits. In the book Prince Caspian, what is the name of the captain of the mice, whom Aslan rewards with a new tail for the loyalty of his troops? The answer is C. Reepicheep. What is the term for a market with few buyers and sellers? The answer is B. Oligopoly. Which gas causes the greenhouse effect? The answer is D. Carbon dioxide. What is the first program run on the ARPANET, the precursor to the Internet? The answer is C. Telnet. What is the capital city of Lebanon? The answer is D. Beirut. Which vegetable has leaves that are used in salads? The answer is A. Lettuce. Which of these is not an official size for a soccer ball? The answer is A. Size 2A. What happened to chemical reactions when temperature increases? The answer is A. It became faster. To what geographic area is the ostrich native? The answer is A. Africa. Who plays Eleven in the series Stranger Things? The answer is A. Millie Bobby Brown. What atmospheric layer lies above the highest altitude an airplane can go and below the lowest altitude a spacecraft can orbit? The answer is A. Mesosphere. What was the future's past? The answer is A. Yesterday. Which vegetable is most commonly used to make hummus? The answer is C. Chickpea. What was the name of Robin Scorpio's first love on General Hospital?